Hey guys, welcome back to Shoney's Small Engines. One of the next projects I'll be working on over the next few months is trying to restore this British made bike. It's an SST called a Gemini. It's a 50cc. I can't actually tell you the name of the company, Tao Zing, something like that. But here is the motor. I just picked it up on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know much about these type of bikes. I know it's a two-stroke 50cc, and the guy said that about 90% of the bike is there. I do notice there's no exhaust pipe. The biggest problem I'm looking at is there's not much information on these, and there's not many parts available, and there's not even any parts diagrams that I can find. So it's going to be a challenge, and we'll see if we can get it running. We'll see if we can, if we have spark, compression, and then see if we can get some fuel to it. And if we do, then we're going to try to go ahead and restore the rest of this. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow along. Video might not be out real soon, but hopefully we put everything together and we can make a good video out of it. All right, so all I did so far was just screw on the coil, found a coil cat, and just bolted it on. It's not even on tight. I just wanted to get it on to make sure I can try kicking it, see if I can get compression. I just checked for compression. I got 125 pounds, so I'm happy with that. What I'm going to try now is I'm going to put a little bit of carb clean into the spark plug, or into the throat of the carburetor, but I don't want to run just straight carb cleaner. So I'm going to add a little bit of two-stroke oil in there as well, and just to see. I got spark. I just checked for spark with my spark tester. I want to see if I can get this thing to fire. Great news. I'm pretty pumped about that. So I think as long as I have all the parts and I find a exhaust pipe, I think I'm going to be able to put this thing back together looking pretty good.